Who will say when I self aware every time so you will never hit your wife again. We have Tata to fire jail 15 days in prison. Quarter more. I lost nothing, I just lost 15 days.
Yeah.
But if I lost the cow, if I lost something of value, I wouldn't do it again. You understand? So, then we said back to how we now coming back to how we are supposed to, or how we were supposed to. Does it mean that we must stop driving cars? No, cars are here. We would have had cars anyway without the interference of vehicles. We had chariots, we had electricity. We would have got into some form of technological advancement anyway. Exactly. Here's the thing. Technology, is it beneficial for us? If it is, then what takes away your human soul when you are answering your phone? Nothing. But if you are going to take your phone and watch pornography, now you are stripping yourself of your human soul. Do you understand? If you are going to take your phone now and do scams and rob people, and now you yourself are stripping your own soul of its humanity. But there's nothing wrong with answering your phone and saying, how I'm fighting up people, sharing love. There's nothing wrong with that. What is get out? Nah, but you people talk about no. We must go back to our we must go back to our way of living. What is mutually beneficial? Me having a DSTV and a big screen in my house is not beneficial to my neighbor. Instead, right? But if because this one block, say 200 houses, how many unemployed people in these 200 houses? 40%. The 60% is employed in any way, whether we are taking this or we have. How about all these that are working, right? Contribute 50 rand each for those that are not working, and then we open businesses that are going to be supported by the very same 200 people. Muslims are doing it, Jews are doing it. We can't do it. Why? Because we are looking outside our communities in order to make our communities feel better. But that's the thing. We take our poverty and make it a statement. We don't make it an impetus to move. We can't say embrace, say hug. We say this in our rhetoric. It gets into our minds. We have the same bad psychology in us. It's a struggle, my Lord. Why should it be a struggle? We choose it to be a struggle. But when? The system is held up by an economy. The economy is held up by stocks. Right? Non-existent property. Stocks. Right? Artificial. If the country can say we are not going to work for 1 week, stay away, what's going to happen to the economy? Easy crash. That's how fickle this reality is. It's trading on such a thin layer of ice that when you look at it, you look back at yourself and you think that it is you. This is why you're going to introduce your brother to me and say, no, this is my brother, the lawyer. This is my sister, the engineer. This is my cousin, the doctor. This is my in the what? Why can't we introduce each other as human? No, this is my brother. I was going to say. What are doing to know? And that. Why must we have a label behind our identity? Because we are trying to fit into a system that is not natural to us. What happens if the court is closed? Are you still a lawyer? Who are you lawyering to? What happens if the hospital is closed? Are you still a doctor?
Institutionalized careers.
You understand?
Institutions.
Let's be human. And once we are human, we are going to act like human. And look at each other like human. Because now, if you're a lawyer, you're a judge, he's a politician, he's a Rastaman, I'm forced to look at you differently. But he comes from a family line that is greater than anything you could ever imagine. You just have a paper that says you're a lawyer. He's got a blood in him that says he's a king. In Africa, kingship is not. Okay, let me put it this way. In Africa, you are a king because you are born in a certain family. Not because of your father, but because of your mother. So your father can have 10 wives. If your mother comes from a certain family, then you can be king. So kingship in Africa is matrilineal. It comes from the mother. What is a king? A king is somebody who's given a natural responsibility. Lo muntu loyo, even growing up in childhood, he's the one who's always saying, no, let's go. He's the one who's saying, oh man, I think I'm Louis. It just comes naturally to him. And then just naturally other kids just follow him. Right? Today we have kings because somebody decided that this family should be kings. This family should be kings. Example, Wazu. The family of Uzu was made king by the whites. They were never kings, Wazu. Senza Ngakona was never a king. Senza Ngakona was not a king. Ujama was not a king. Undaba was not a king. The first king was Zulu, is Shaka. With the help of a gun and a cannon. And no Zulus used guns and cannons in war. This is why Zulu have ingoma mother Hubela. Ingano bayazela. It's a cannon. Right? Now, government, we have this copter, we have this council of traditional leaders and what. We have kings who are not kings by birth, who are kings by political pickings. So they do not understand the position they are in. It's not in their blood. So they take because they think that's what it's all about. Eswatini, the king now is Udlamini, right? The true kings of Eswatini, Omasel, right? Udlamini Wenzan, the country is poor, he buys all his wives a Rolls Royce, 18 Rolls Royces for each of his wives. But the country is poor. Umasego would never have done it because it's his land, it bleeds with him. It's not about me as a king, it's about them. I'm only king because you are there. Who would call me king if you did not exist? The third party is the problem. In Africa, we only have 9 kings, 9 royal families. Anything outside of these 9 is a sham. Which is inbred, it's inbred.
Responsibility
And it's not in your blood.
and it's not
But now, what is kingship? We have to understand. Kingship is not how we see it in the European perspective. Somebody sitting on the phone up there, you can one of you guys bring him as So now, if we look at kings as the white man, we're gonna miss the point. Amakhosi abathi umuntu yinkosi ubuzazi. Umuntu kimorena boyitsiba. Morena kuweta is to be in control of the space. So what is inkosi? Who are inkosi? This is why we are inkosikazi. Because he is inkosi, so this is everybody's responsibility. This is why me, as the one who is given responsibility to lead, I'm only leading you in what you have to do anyway. I'm not starting a new chapter for you. So, as a Xhosa king, I have to lead AmaXhosa in the path of the cause. I can't come with something else. Which is what we see today. You have a Christian king of a Zulu nation. You have a Christian king of a Tswana nation. Which causes conflict now. Which master do you serve? Because kunemithetho yesiTswana and then kunemithetho yeBhayibheli.
Hey, the way I wanted to.
Mind your way.